Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this tutorial of how to insert a facecam clip into another clip. First we have our two videos here. We put them just by dragging them into the timeline here. So this is our first step. And we just propose that this video here is our facecam clip. So we are just proposing that this is our facecam clip. And the first option, now we will only see the facecam. So the first option to resize the facecam clip is just to click on this symbol here directly below the timeline video and to change the size by mouse like this. So this would be your facecam, and in the background you can see the screen recording. Now you can drag it by clicking on it and moving it by mouse into the position you want, like this. There's also another option which is more accurate. You can select both clips with Ctrl W like this, then right mouse click. The second option is New Fusion Clip. Click on this and the two videos are merged. And now you can go on to Fusion and go on the media you want to change, insert a transform module, and here you can also change the values for the X and Y center coordinates and the size. The advantage of this is that you can have some concrete values you can apply every time.